welcome. Today, I'm going to be providing you with a brief demonstration on how you can direct students on where to start within the Canvas Learning Management System. First, we're going to go ahead and we are going to select courses, and then we are going to select our published course. From here, we are going to want to go down to modules, and I already had it selected. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create the content by selecting the plus module icon. From here, I'm going to go ahead and give it a name. So I'm going to say start here, and then I'm going to select add module. Now let's go ahead and come down here, and you can see that our start here module has been created. So we're going to click on the little waffle, that's what I like to call them, and we are going to move this module up to the top so that students know exactly where to start. We're going to make sure that we publish this module. And now we are going to select the plus sign. We are going to add the getting started content. So to do that, I'm going to select the drop down and I'm going to select page. And then from here, I'm going to select create page. I'm going to give my page a name and I'm just going to title it getting started. And now I'm going to select add item. Now you can see I have my page created within this module. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select the Getting Started page. And from here, this is where I'm going to add some content to it. So I'll go ahead and select Edit. And you can see Getting Started. And then I'm going to go ahead and paste in some information. Now this information is something that I like to start off with. It allows students to know how, to engage in the course, what kind of technologies they might need, some instructions from me, maybe how they're going to be able to communicate with other students. And so it gives them a chance to kind of see how the course is set up and how they can navigate through everything. From there, I'm going to go ahead and hit Save and Publish. And now you can see that in my module, I have my getting started information for students. And that is how you can add the start here information in a module so the students know where to go within the course. Thank you for joining me.